Hello and welcome. I'm Rosanna and I work at Paycat. We're excited to have you start with our micro package for Paycat Payroll and ShiftCare. In this video, I'll walk you through what you can expect during your onboarding process and how to get everything set up smoothly. To kick things off, here are the first 3 things you'll need to take care of. First, you'll need to complete the scoping form. You'll be working with a dedicated project manager who will send this form to you. Please fill this out with your specific requirements, as it will guide the development of your project. The next step is to connect your Xero file. Once you receive the completed scoping form, you'll gain access to your payroll file. Once you have this access, you'll be given step-by-step instructions on how to connect your Xero file. And step 3, which you'll do in conjunction with step 2, is to grant our team with full access to your Xero account. We will use this access to extract employee information and begin the setup process. If at any time during this implementation process you get stuck or need assistance, you'll be assigned 2 key team members, a project manager and an implementation manager. Your project manager will mainly be responsible for scheduling meetings, sending out important information, and guiding you through the setup requirements listed earlier. Your implementations manager will handle the technical setup of your system. During the onboarding process, you'll be given access to a system called Basecamp, which is a project management software that will allow you to communicate directly with your implementations manager. This will also be the main platform for all setup-related discussions and updates. During the initial stages of the onboarding process, you will also be given access to what we call our micro implementations course. This course is essential for getting everything up and running, as it will guide you through the setup process and give you a solid overview of the system. There are a few modules to the course. The first is the Payroll Companion course. This module will give you an overview of how to use the Paycat payroll system. You'll learn how to onboard employees, view timesheets, and complete a pay run. The second module will talk you through the steps of how to set up the ShiftCare timesheet import, including how to do the initial setup on ShiftCare, how to download the timesheet importer, and how to start importing timesheets. And then the third module will show you how to enter shifts into the ShiftCare roster for different SHAD scenarios, such as sleepovers, excursions, and 24-hour care shifts. This is quite an important module, as you must add shifts to the roster in the correct format going forward to ensure pays are processed accurately in Paycat. While you work your way through the course, our implementations team will be working behind the scenes to set everything up. Once everything's ready, you'll run the ShiftCare Paycat timesheet importer to pull your first batch of timesheets from ShiftCare to Paycat and watch the magic happen. In terms of what you can expect from a timeline side of things, once we receive the scoping document and full Xero access, we'll typically begin work within 3 business days. The implementation from our side will be completed in 2 business days, as long as there are no customizations. After you confirm that your ShiftCare setup is complete and you've successfully finished the training tutorial, we will schedule the go live date for the next pay run. On the go live date, we expect your team to have completed the ShiftCare setup, imported the timesheets, and finished the training tutorial. Our team will help you with the first pay run. You'll have a 1-hour session with our training manager who will assist you with any questions or issues during the pay run. Following this, you'll be transitioned to our support team for any future needs. They're available via email or phone to help you with any issues that may arise. If, however, you encounter any issues before go live day with the setup process, we'll schedule a 1-hour Q&A session with you and one of our experts. Thank you for choosing Paycat. We're here to support you every step of the way and ensure a smooth experience. Welcome aboard, and let's get started.